Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a shirt that I'm going to diagonally fan fold and I'm going to do an offset pattern on it. So I'm just going to grab one shoulder of my shirt and the opposite corner of the hem and fold the shirt in half diagonally. Then I'm going to smooth it out really well and fan fold the diagonal line. Once my shirt is fan folded, I'm going to tie it up with some kite string. I personally like to use kite string for a design like this. It holds my fan folds in place really well without leaving the white lines that sinew does. This kite string is some that I purchased at Ace Hardware. I really like this one because it comes on a heavy cardboard dowel, so it doesn't tend to get tangled as much as some of the other kite string I've owned in the past. Okay, so it's time to start applying the dye. But before I do that, I'm going to take a washable marker and draw lines where I'd like to apply the dye. Because I folded my shirt in half diagonally, if I made this end portion or this end area the same width as all the rest of the lines on my shirt, it would be double the width because it would be the front side and the back side both put together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little bit more narrow than I'm going to make all the other lines on my shirt. For this shirt, I thought I would use some citrus colors. So I'm using lemon yellow and soft orange, which are both Dharma colors, and I'm going to use lime twist, which is a custom colors. I'm beginning by putting lemon yellow in every other section of the front side of this shirt. I'm saturating the areas pretty well, but I want to put a different color on the back side, so I don't want to oversaturate these sections. The remaining sections I'm going to alternate between soft orange and the lime twist. Then I'm going to turn my shirt over, and the first section that I put yellow on, I'm going to put orange on that. Then everywhere where I put the orange and the green on the front side of the shirt, I'm putting yellow. So I'm doing yellow in every other section again. Then I'm alternating the orange and green in the remaining sections like I did on the front. That very last section at the very end of my shirt, I'm going to go ahead and leave that totally yellow because it's so thin. If I tried to put another color on the back, you wouldn't get the same effect. Alright, so here is what our citrus diagonal fan folded offset shirt looks like. If you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.